Action.
The ear. And a nice clean ear at that.
Very shiny.
Okay, so we
A
saw
little
in the
louder,
skull,
people.
the bone. This was, when we looked at the skull, this was the external acoustic canal, or meatus. Sound waves go in through the canal. This is the temporal bone. This is the petrous portion of the temporal bone. And if you open it up, inside you find all of the structures associated with equilibrium and balance and hearing. This is where the eardrum is, the tympanic membrane. It's held in the bone here. It's a thin, translucent membrane. Vibrations hit the membrane, which then vibrate the auditory ossicles, 3 little bones, which then vibrate, you can't really see the connection very well, but vibrate the membrane of what's known as the cochlea, the snail shell. And that's, I guess, there's the other part
So the
of the bone.
cochlea is the snail shell.
So that is the third bone, vibrates the membrane cochlea, which contains fluid, and all along the lining, see now here you see the inside of it, right? It's open inside, it contains fluid, but all along the lining, all along the white here, are the sensory receptors. And as the fluid moves, the receptors are triggered, sending information along the cochlear portion of the vestibulocochlear nerve, meaning the nerve coming into the ear is called the vestibulocochlear. It's one of the cranial nerves. Part of it, the vestibular portion, probably this here, goes to the semicircular canals. This is for balance, when you move your head around, and it keeps you telling your brain where your head is at any given time. Part of that is one part of the nerve. The other part, you see here going to the cochlear portion of it, that's for hearing. And it gets its information from the vibrations of the membrane, the auditory ossicles, and the cochlear. Eustachian tube connects the inner ear, the middle ear, to the back of the throat. I think that's all we
That's
do.
why babies get ear infections.
Yeah, this is a big problem with ear infections.
Other than bad teeth.
What else?